Welcome to another Catia V5 video tutorial, this time a Userwish and the workbench generative shape design. Let's start with a sketch on this plane, swap, reverse, vertical direction, hide as usual the yellow projected elements. I need a rectangle. Please delete those 4 automatic constraints. I need a circle, need some dimensions. This one should be 175. From here to here should be 85. This distance should be 183. That should be coincident to that axis, and the distance between these two lines should be 108. Okay, let's move the circle almost in the right position. Make an intersection point between the circle and this construction line and get it. This should be on construction, not filter, but on construction, and make a distance to this axis. Make it 30 and make this one and the line tangent. Then trim it. It's okay. Then I might insert a geometrical set for the sketches. Okay, and now copy this sketch into this geometrical set, paste it, and now change the sketch support for this copy. This should be that one. Move swap, remove reverse H, and then edit the sketch. It lost some angle right here. This distance should be right now 43. This one should be 94. And leave the sketch. Okay. I need another geometrical set for curves. Curves. Confirm the name of the part. Okay. And now let's make a symmetry of this line to this plane. And okay. I need a plane. Maybe it might be a good idea to put it in a geometrical set, so I go for Insert, Geometrical Set, call it Planes, confirm the part, and OK. And I want to have a plane with an offset or through a point. Close this one, make it red, and use this as reference. Follow through point and use, for example, this point. And okay. Now let's make a sketch on this plane. Okay. Hide these yellow elements. Project the 3 points. this one, that one, and that one. Use the user selection filter to select them all, just for points that them to construction, and don't forget to deactivate the user selection filter. Now I need a ellipse, which should be somewhere right here. Go up to this point, to that point. This one should be standard. Then I need a line, construction line from that point to this point. Okay, maybe trim it already, and then something's missing. Make this one and check if it's user constraint. Yes. Leave the sketch, and the sketch should be in this geometrical set. Now I need another one with surface, surfaces, Userwish 3 GSD, and let's make a multi-section surface. That's right here. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, and use as guide this curve. Just check if all arrows point in the right direction, and coupling. Copy this. Okay. Nice. So let's go for another sketch. Define a work object. I need a sketch on this plane. Direction is okay. Maybe I can hide this. Okay. Hide these. And that should be a circle, circle, and a line. So just draw a line, a circle, and another circle. Give it some dimensions. This should be 31. That should be 183. Move it. Make this one coincident to that axis. And this point should be on that plane. There, and this one a little bit down, yeah. So this and that line should be tangent. This circle and that circle should be tangent. And this point should be on that one. So I might project it. Okay. And set it to construction and make it coincident. So let me see what might be missing. Let's take a look. I can move this. Yeah, and I think I will set this on that axis coincident. Now I can remove this one, this, and if I remove that, the whole circle will vanish, so I have to break it right here. Check. There, break. And this should be broken at, come on, give it to me. At that point. So that's it, like this. Okay, and now I can trim it. Like this, and again like that. Okay. Leave the workbench. Yes. Now let's make an extrude with this sketch. So we'll set this in work object, like sketch 4, an extrude, direction, it's okay. Just make it, let's say 100, that's okay. And in the other direction as well, 100, and okay. So I think there was 1 0 too much. Okay. And I want to cut this with that one. It might be a problem here, so I will extrapolate this a little bit. And now I can split it. I want to split this surface on that one. And okay, let's hide the extrapolated surface. Okay. Then I need sort of fill right here. An extrude would be the best, but fill is convenient and it works. I just need a line. You can use a wireframe line from this point to that point. Okay, and fill it with this So the fill should be of course here, that's okay, the split yes, and the line should be here in this geometrical set. Okay, maybe hide this one, the line, the sketch, this sketch, and that sketch as well. Here, hide all of them. Then I need another sketch on this plane. So I might only change these two directions. Hide all the surfaces. Hide these two yellow elements, or three yellow elements. And then I need an elongated hole. Remove this constraint and give it dimension 50. And this should be 9. And then I need some copies. I could already make it symmetric. Use translate. Any 4 instances. I want to copy this from here to here. Okay. I lost symmetry, of course. So this point, that point, symmetric to this point, that point, symmetric to that axis, this, that, symmetric, and this and that, symmetric again. Then I need a distance, that's 15, 15, 15, and 15. This line should be coincident to that one, and then I have to change these dimensions. That's 45 and 8, 40 and 7, 35 and 6 and 30 and 5. Okay, show the surfaces, move the sketch up here, then make a projection along a direction. So I want to project along a direction. Direction should be this one, support that one, and I'm not going for the nearest solution, and that's a non-convex element. Usually you avoid these kind of stuff, but in this case it will work, so I will keep it. I will keep all the sub-elements. That's an exception. Usually I go for keep only one using an extract, but it works and okay. So the project should be in this geometrical set. Yes, hide the sketch. Now just split this surface with this project. See? And OK, and it works. And the split should be in the surface department. Okay, let's hide this. Now you can join this one and that surface, and OK. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.